Unmasking the WooCommerce Payments Plugin Vulnerability. Welcome to our channel eComHardy.com. Today, we reveal a shocking discovery that has sent shockwaves through the WordPress and eCommerce communities. Brace yourselves for the unmasking of the WooCommerce Payments Plugin vulnerability. We found a dangerous vulnerability within the popular WooCommerce Payments plugin, used by countless online stores. This flaw can compromise sensitive customer information and wreak havoc on businesses. An article on SearchEngineJournal.com reveals the extent of this vulnerability. Malicious actors can exploit it to gain unauthorized access to payment data, risking identity theft and financial loss. Let me break it down. The WooCommerce Payments plugin vulnerability allows hackers to inject code into the checkout process, bypassing security measures. They can intercept payment data, leading to fraud and severe consequences. This vulnerability is a wake-up call for businesses. Website owners must stay ahead to protect their customers and brand reputation. But don't fret. We've collaborated with experts to provide practical tips to secure your WooCommerce store and mitigate risks. Let's take a look. By updating the plugin, implementing secure coding practices, and using additional security plugins, you can fortify your WooCommerce store and keep your customers' data safe. That concludes our investigation into the WooCommerce Payments plugin vulnerability. Stay informed, take proactive measures, and join us next time as we continue our quest to uncover threats and empower you with knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel eComHardy.com for more cybersecurity updates and protection strategies.